Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your outdoor space with Wayfair detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your outdoor space and identifying how you want to use it. Consider areas for dining, relaxing, or entertaining guests. Make a list of the needed furniture and accessories based on your vision. Visit Wayfair's website and navigate to the outdoor section. Use the filters to narrow down your search by items, styles, and budgets. Browse through options for outdoor furniture, rugs, lighting, and decor. Take note of the materials and colors that complement your existing setup. Read customer reviews to gauge the quality and durability of potential purchases. Compare prices to ensure you are making the most cost-effective choices. Select items that match your design vision and functional needs. Add your chosen products to the cart. Review the cart to ensure everything fits your budget and requirements. Proceed to checkout and fill in your shipping and payment information. Confirm the delivery details and estimated arrival time. Once your items arrive, begin with assembling larger furniture pieces first. Lay out smaller items, like decor and lighting, to visualize their placement. Arrange the furniture in a way that fosters conversation and flow. Incorporate greenery with plants or outdoor art to elevate the aesthetic. Consider adding outdoor lighting for functionality and ambience. Step back and evaluate your space once everything is set up. Make adjustments as necessary to achieve the perfect balance and comfort. Enjoy your newly upgraded outdoor space and invite friends or family to share in the experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.